In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect laptop keyboard to PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are using your PC in conjunction with your laptop, it can get quite annoying to cycle back and forth between them. So you might want to use them together and essentially integrate them, including the option to use the keyboard available on the laptop or on your PC. Another alternative would be if you don't have a keyboard to connect to the PC, so you just use the one available on your laptop. Regardless of the reason, you can follow these instructions to get it done. To do this, you will have to download a program that is officially distributed by Microsoft. So look for Microsoft Garage Mouse Without Borders. Either Microsoft Garage Mouse or Mouse Without Borders. You will be able to find the program available on their official website. So look for the option to download Microsoft Garage Without Borders, and once you have this downloaded on both devices, so the PC and the laptop, you can move on to setting it up. So essentially, this will integrate both devices together over a wireless network. So on the first PC, choose No, and this will generate a security code and it will show you the computer name. So when you choose No, you will get this message, almost done here. Just keep this window open or write down the information below. Head over to the other computer and install Mouse Without Borders, and then you can finish the setup. So on the first one that you click No, you will be given the security code. And then when you download this and go to the laptop or the PC, depending on which one you chose to do this on first, and you select Yes, you will now be given the option to input the security code and the other computer's name. So just copy this from here and then input it all on the other PC or laptop. Once you input the necessary details here and you confirm, they will be linked. As you can see, one of the features that they actually highlight is share keyboard across screens. So once this is done, you will see all of the settings. They will be connected like this. You can change the order. So as you can see, you can drag and drop computer thumbnails below to match the physical layout, and it will allow you to type messages using a keyboard on your PC, and they will be input on your laptop or vice versa. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect laptop keyboard to PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.